24-hour water shutdown in eThekwini this week. In an effort to resolve the persistent water supply challenged in areas north of Durban, the eThekwini Municipality will shut down the northern aqueduct pipeline to install new valves. According to the municipality, the pipelines being shut down carries water from Durban Heights Treatment Works to the areas in the north. Work on the pipeline is expected to take place from 5 p.m. Tuesday, February 20th till 5 p.m. Wednesday, February 21st. A larger part of work has been completed. This includes repairing leaks and replacement of air valves in other sections of the pipeline. However, the outstanding valves require modification to fit into the network, which also requires a shutdown, the city says. Residents have been urged to use available water sparingly. Phoenix, Avoca, Seacow Lake, Springfield, Newlands East, Durban North, Amaoti, KwaMashu, Tuzima, Inanda and Umhlanga. A full list of affected areas can be found on the eThekwini Municipality's Facebook page. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.